Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 2, Navigating the U.S. Immigration System, including subchapter Resources and Support for Immigrants. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 2, Navigating the U.S. Immigration System. Resources and support for immigrants. First and foremost, it is imperative to underscore the significance of legal aid organizations. Immigrants, faced with the complexities of immigration laws and processes, require expert guidance to navigate these intricate waters. Numerous nonprofit organizations, such as the Immigrant Legal Resource Center and the National Immigration Law Center, specialize in providing legal assistance tailored to the needs of immigrants. These organizations not only offer free or low-cost legal advice, but also ensure that immigrants possess a comprehensive understanding of their rights, empowering them to advocate for themselves. Language assistance programs also play a pivotal role in immigrant support services. Effective communication skills are central to thriving in a new country. Therefore, it is crucial to highlight the importance of English language acquisition, as it opens doors to opportunities and facilitates integration into American society. Many community colleges offer English as a second language (ESL) programs that are specifically designed to address the needs of non-native English speakers. In addition, organizations such as the Literacy Volunteers of America and the International Rescue Committee provide language instruction and support to help immigrants build their confidence and linguistic skills. Moreover, it is crucial to shed light on the wealth of community resources available to immigrants, which serve as a vital safety net during their transformative journey. Public libraries, for instance, provide a plethora of resources ranging from language learning materials to job search databases. Their inclusive environment fosters engagement, learning, and connection with a broader community for immigrants. Similarly, community centers and cultural organizations create a sense of belonging by organizing events, workshops, and support groups. These platforms serve as invaluable spaces where immigrants can forge connections, share experiences, and seek guidance from others who have walked a similar path. In today's technologically driven world, the online realm must not be overlooked. Immigrants can find a multitude of resources on the internet specifically designed to address their concerns and offer support. Websites such as the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, provide valuable information on immigration laws, applications, and rights. Online forums and communities dedicated to immigrants also serve as safe spaces to seek advice and share experiences, fostering a sense of community and solidarity in the pursuit of the American dream. Furthermore, it is essential to emphasize the intrinsic value of cultural and ethnic organizations, which provide immigrants with a sense of familiarity and connection to their roots. These organizations often celebrate diverse cultures through festivals, events, and exhibitions, creating a space where immigrants can proudly showcase their heritage while cultivating meaningful relationships with others from their home countries. In conclusion, this subchapter encapsulates the multitude of resources and support services available to immigrants. Legal aid organizations, language assistance programs, community resources, online platforms, and cultural organizations all contribute to the journey towards achieving the American dream. By effectively utilizing these resources, immigrants can overcome obstacles and embark on a path to success. It is important to remember, dear reader, that you are not alone. Assistance and support are available every step of the way.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.